In this video, we'll be adding a new lease record, adding the rent schedule, and then setting up the accounting. To start, we click on the Add Lease wizard, choose our building, our lease begins on January 1st, 2015, and it's for 10 years. To calculate the end date, I'll use my date calculator, input the start date, make sure to include the input date, which means our expiration date is 12/31/2024. Then click Launch on the wizard. Next, navigate to the rent schedule, and here we'll add charges, pick our account code, which is base rent, and here we're creating 10 monthly charges that begins on the 1st. Start amount of $10,000. Increases by 3% each year. But then I want to modify my first charge to show that it begins on March 1st. And lastly, verifying that my last charge is on December of 2024. Click Save and Close. Next, navigate to the accounting page. Click Add Schedule. Here we choose our classification type. We'll start by assuming it's an operating 842, but don't worry, we can change this later. Choose the amortization profile for Include All. Choose a journal entry profile. Confirm my period date range is the same. So we have January 15 to December 2024. Input my discount rate, and for this example it's 5%. System then calculates a present value. So here we can say our total undiscounted amount is $1.3 million. Our present value is just over $1 million. Next, we can input our fair market value, which will, in this example, say is $1 million. Now we can calculate the implicit interest rate, which is just over 6%. Looking over to the right, we can see we've now tripped test number 4, which means it should probably be a finance lease. We can also double check the other 4 tests. Ownership is not transferred. There's no bargain purchase option. Our economic life, we'll say, is 15 years. And as soon as I have one of these tests tripped, we have the warning message saying that the lease is suggested to be a finance lease. And so we'll click to dismiss the message and take its suggestion by changing the classification type, and click Save and Close.